Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Ubuntu from asking for a password every time you use sudo. This is helpful if you are running lots of scripts or commands and don't want to type your password again and again. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T, or you can also search for terminal from your apps panel, which is right over here. Now, once you open your terminal, we'll now edit the file that controls permissions. But we will do it the safe way using the visudo command. This command checks for errors before saving so you don't break anything by mistake. Now, simply paste the command that you can also find in the description box below, which is this one right over here. So what does this command actually do? visudo opens the Sudoers file with syntax checking to prevent misconfiguration. Now what you do is just simply hit enter, then enter your password, and then hit enter again. So now in the file that opens, scroll down to the very bottom. And over here at the very end, you have to add another line. So this is the command that you should add over here, as you can see. Make sure that you change your username to the actual username that you have in Ubuntu. In my case, my username is Dex. In your case, use your username. So now what this line is doing is this line will tell the system that the user test can run any command with sudo without asking for password. Now once you'll enter this command, all you do is press Ctrl plus O and then hit enter. And then just simply press Ctrl plus X, and that will exit the command line. And now, after doing all the modifications, let's test it out by running a sudo command, like updating packages, and let's see if it is asking for the password or not. So a simple update command, and then hit enter. And as you can see, it is working just fine without asking for the password. So that's it. Your Ubuntu setup will now stop asking for passwords when using sudo. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.